Good morning students. Welcome to 7th class mathematics of chapter 1 integers. Okay children, today we will start new exercise for part 3 video. Shall we start the class now? Okay. Now today's our topic is multiplication of integers. In the previous class we should completed addition and subtraction of integers. Now today we will see how to multiply the integers, maybe either positive or negative or one positive and one negative integer. Shall we start the class now? Okay. Study the following pattern. See this example 4 into 3. As you know very well, 4 3s are how much? Yes, exactly. 4 3s are 12. Next, 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3. Here observe all these numbers 4 into 3. The product of these two we will get 12. Here 4 and 3 are the positive integers. Why we are called it as positive integers? Because these numbers are right side of the 0 on the number line. Right side of the 0 on the number line values always positive integers and left side of the 0 values are always negative integers. Okay children, so here all are having the positives only. For positive we can take plus sign and for negative we can take minus sign. Here in front of 4 and 3 there is no sign. There is no sign means always we can take it as, we can remember that is plus only, means it is positive integers. So here all these 4 examples all are have positive integers. Okay children, so for that we are getting the product 12 9 6 3, all are the positive integers. So thus from this above all examples we can conclude that the product of two positive integers are always positive, means plus into plus always we can plus only. Okay children, is it clear to you? Plus into plus is always plus. Now going to the next examples. See this example, minus 4 into minus 3. Again we can multiply same like how like multiply in the previous example. Here also we can multiply like that only. 4 3s are, you know very well, 4 3s are 12. But observe here 4 into 3. You know very well 12, but 4 and 3 having negative signs, minus and minus. Minus into minus is always plus. Okay, minus into minus becomes plus. మనము మైనస్ ని మైనస్ చేత మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు కూడా పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్ వస్తుంది. సో మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ఆల్వేస్ వీ కెన్ గెట్ పాజిటివ్ ఓన్లీ. సో హియర్ 4 and 3 both are the negative integers. So negative integers always lies on the left side of the 0 on number line. Okay children, so next minus 3 into minus 3. 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus. 2 3s are 6, minus into minus plus. 1 3s are 3, minus into minus plus. So all negative integers, the product of two negative integers is always we are getting positive only. So from these examples we can identify product of two negative integers is always positive only. Okay children, minus into minus is equals to always plus. రెండు మైనస్లు మల్టిప్లై చేసినా మనకి ప్లస్ వస్తుంది, రెండు ప్లస్లు మల్టిప్లై చేసినా ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. ఆల్వేస్ టూ పాజిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ we can get positive only. Multiplication of two negative integers also we can get positive only. Okay children, now here I am giving 3 examples, fill this all examples. Okay children, now going to the next concept, that is, let us see some more examples. Here 4 into minus 3. Observe here, again here I am taking 4 and 3 only, but the answer is different. 4 3s are 12, but here 12 have minus symbol. How we are getting minus? Once think. Okay, 4 is positive integer, minus 3 is negative integer. Why? 4 in front of 4 there is no sign, either plus or minus, so we can take it as always it is plus symbol. So plus 4 is positive integer, minus 3 is negative integer. One is plus, another one is minus. Product of plus into minus we can get always negative. So that's why in the answer we have minus. Minus 4 into 3. Again one number is minus, another number is plus. So both are the different, plus and minus. The product of plus and minus we are getting in the answer minus only. So minus 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12, plus into minus, minus. 5 into minus 6. Same. 5 6 are 30, plus into minus, minus 30. 6 into minus 5. 6 5s are 30, plus into minus, minus 30. From the above examples we conclude that product of one positive and one negative integers are always negative integers. Okay children, plus into minus is equals to always minus, minus into plus is always minus. Okay children, is it clear? Now do some properties. From the above examples we can observe product of two positive integers are always positive. Product of two negative integers are always positive. Product of one positive and one negative integers are always negative. Okay children, so if you remember this all, you will get the answer is also very easily. Okay children, plus into plus, plus only. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, you will get plus. Okay children, now going to the next concept, that is multiplication of more than two negative integers. More than two negative integers, how to we get the symbols. Product of two negative integers is a positive integer. For example, minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to minus into minus, already I said to you, plus 1 ones are 1, positive only. Product of three negative integers is a negative integer. Example, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 is equals to minus 1. Minus into minus into minus. How many negative signs are there? Three negative signs. The product of three negative integers is always we are getting negative only. Next, product of four negative integers is a positive. Four negative integers. Example, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So answer is 1. Minus, 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 minus. How many negative signs are there? 4 negatives. So 4 negative. The product of 4 negatives is always positive. Next, product of 5 negative integers is a negative. So again, 5 negative symbols, if we multiplied 5 negative integers, we are getting the negative integer only. Okay. Now, shall we start next exercise? That is fourth one. First bit, fill in the blanks. First question. 100 minus 100 into minus 6. So, as you multiply 100 6 are, okay, 100 6 are 600. And observe the signs of 106. Both are the negative. Minus into minus, we can get plus. Plus 600. Next, minus 3 into dash is equals to 3. When we get the 3, with multiplied 3 with something, right? When, think once 3 table, when we get 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So, write 1 and in the answer, we have 3 plus symbol, but question minus 3. So, when we are getting plus symbol, only 2 times. 2 positive signs or 2 negative signs, but here one negative symbol is there, so another one also we can take negative, that is minus 1. Next, 100 into 6, 100 6 are 600, plus into minus, minus 600. Minus 20 into minus 10, 20 10s are 200, minus into minus becomes plus 200. 15 into minus 3, 15 3s are minus 45, plus into minus becomes minus 45. Next one. This is very important question. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? Means the starting of the room temperature is 40 degrees centigrade. It has 40 degrees centigrade. For every 1 hour it decreases 5 degrees centigrade. So like that going, after 10 hours decreasing, what will be the temperature of the room? So for that, given that present temperature of the room, present temperature of this room is 40 degrees centigrade. For every 1 hour it decreases how much? 5 degrees centigrade. Next, decrease the temperature after 10 hours. So for every hour 5 degrees. How many hours? 10 hours. 5 into 10, 50 degrees centigrade. Means after 10 degrees, it decreasing 50 degrees. At the starting position, the temperature is 40 degrees. After 10 hours, it decreases 50 degrees. Now find the difference of these two, then we will get the temperature. Okay. So that is 40 degrees minus 50 degrees is equals to minus 10 degrees. 40 degrees minus 50. 50 minus 40 is 10. In these two, 50 is the highest number. It has minus symbol. So answer is also minus. So answer is minus 10 degrees centigrade. Next question. That is, in a class containing 10 questions, 3 marks awarded for every correct answer. Minus mark awarded for every incorrect answer. Means wrong answer. 0 marks for not attempted questions. Here Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answer. What will he score? Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is her score? And Rashmi, that question is you only do it. Now I will explain the scoring marks of Gopi and Reshma. Here coming to Gopi, marks scored for 5 correct. Gopi attempt 5 correct answers. For every correct answer, the teacher give 3 marks. He corrected 5 questions. So 5 3s are 15. And he attempt 5 wrong answers. That is, for every wrong answer, teachers give minus 1. So 5 into minus 1, minus 5. Now total marks of Gopi is 15 minus 5. Is equals to 15 minus 5 is equals to 10. So Gopi scoring marks are 10. Now Reshma. Reshma scored 7 correct answers. For every 1 correct answer, 3 marks scored. So 7 into 3, 21. She attempt 3 incorrect answers. So 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. 3 1s are 3 minus 3. Total score is equals to 21 minus 3. For correct answer 21, for wrong answer minus 3. 21 minus 3 is equals to 18 marks. So Rashmi, question is homework to you. Thank you for watching my video. Okay.